As the majestic rain pours down on metropolitan Cochin, the drive towards its IT hub at Kakkanad or on the metro ride to the SFS station, one will come across the awe-inspiring sight of SFS Constellation. Welcome to celestial living. Say hello to a lifestyle made here. Proximity to the metro station adds a new dimension to travel, much like the grand reception area with its manicured landscaping. As you disembark from your vehicle and head to the spectacular lobby, you'll be greeted with a sense of comfort and hospitality. It's the perfect launchpad for happy homecomings. The lift gracefully takes you to the celestial residence. The designer living room provides the perfect backdrop for cherished memories created with family and friends. The spacious dining area leads to the open kitchen, a design innovation that adds more open space to the dining room, where the culinary delights will make every meal a celebration. Here, doing the laundry and other routine chores will be easy with the dedicated space provided optional at SFS Constellation. The gracefully designed master bedroom will help you unwind. The intelligent storage facilities will provide all the space you need. As you stand under the cascading shower of your most modern bath, you will feel the tiredness fade away and you will emerge as good as new. SFS Constellation offers a versatile space that blends the functionality of a bedroom with the flexibility of a study area. It can be either a cozy guest room or a space for work and creativity. You will catch sight of many a shooting star from the balcony. The amenities at SFS Constellation take life to a higher orbit. The kids will have so much fun with their friends. The more passionate cricket lovers can have a practice session at the nets. The Arena Village Hall, a multi-purpose facility, will spur a sense of community among the residents by transforming from an amateur badminton court into an amphitheatre hosting cultural events and social gatherings. The fully equipped unisex gym will take the young and the old to a new orbit of wellness. SFS Constellation is a symbol of unparalleled luxury and sophistication. Rising majestically with a basement, ground and 20 floors, this high-rise building offers breathtaking views and brings you closer to everything celestial. The infinity pool here is your portal to tranquility. The spectacular views you will soak in while gliding through its calm waters take you closer to experiencing nirvana. The rooftop hosting kitchen connects to the terrace area, creating the perfect space for a barbecue party. those who love to explore the unknown, the stargazing spot with its telescope will produce many a joyful moment. SFS Constellation's strategic location near the metro station ensures effortless commuting while prioritizing safety and convenience. It is close to the best of conveniences that make life beautiful. Be it fine dining, shopping, education, health, and much more. Here the brightest minds will come together to form a constellation. Just as stars illuminate the night sky, the residents here illuminate their community with their unique talents, passions and aspirations. Together, SFS Constellation creates a galaxy of unparalleled living.